Time check. Sawadee ka tukon. Hello everyone, this is Teacher Odette, a day in my life as a fresh graduate from college and now as a public school teacher in Thailand. Get ready with me, let's go! Good morning everyone. Sawadee ka. Sawadee ka, good morning.
Good morning.
Thank you. Thank you.
Pak, saan ka dyan? Ang dami i-check dahil. Early bird ang bakla. Make up time! Morning, Teacher Namtan. Good morning, Teacher Maria. Thank you. Ha? Aanim na session yung 35,000 baht. Morning, Teacher Jen. And I'm done with my makeup. Let's go! Mga proctor teachers kami ngayon. Bon appetit! Cheers! Today is proctor teacher lang kami. So, for the whole week, Disney princess kaming lahat. Kasi walang klase. As in, exam kasi ngayon, midterm of all subjects sa mga students ngayon. Exam lang, Lunes to Biyernes. Tapos yung exam, nagsa-start ng 8:30 AM. Tapos minsan, natatapos ang exam dito like 1 PM or 2 PM. Tapos uwi na. Yan lang. Ang trabaho lang namin is mag-assist sa Thai teacher sa pagbigay ng mga test papers, tapos yung answer sheets ng mga bata. Yan lang ginagawa namin. Assist lang. Yeah, Disney princess for 1 week kami ngayon. Bongga. Garbosa. Cheers. And I'm done eating my breakfast. So dito kami na building magpo-proctor. Let's go. Tag, 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 tag. Ang mga Disney princess.
Sakay-sakay.
Charing. Building 6 tayo. Ka. Ay! Wait. Kana na ay.
ใช้เสียง
Ka.
เอาไปเลยค่ะ
Hok ka.
โอเค
Ay, kita 5 ta?
ไปค่ะไม่ no we 5
5.
you
6.
มีเหรอชั้นห้า
Hok chưa?
ใช่ค่ะ
Ừ.
ชั้นห้ามีเหรอ
Kya mi ta. Samkun.
2 คน
Samkun ka.
วันนี้เด็กอะไรเด็กใหญ่เด็กเล็ก
Deklet.
เด็กเล็กชั้น4 อ่ะ
1.
นะ
มู 1. แล้วก็มู 2.
ไม่ชั้น5ไม่มีหนู
มู 1. Sige.
นี่นะมีไหม
May tsaka.
ชั้น4ชั้น
May isa pa sa taas.
Sa
taas.
4แล้วก็
5, 6, 5.
ฮับเลยว่า EP
5 ไม่ใช่กับ5มันเต้าอีก
Ayun.
Wala pa pa, uy.
One more stair.
Dito si Teacher Jan, 565. Pak. 566 si Teacher Maria. Pak, saan ka dyan? 567 naman ako. Go! Kailangan namin permahan ito. Initial signature ko lang nilalagay ko sa answer sheets nila kasi ang daming estudyante, ang daming subject. Bon appetit! Cheers!
So, binigyan niya kami kanina.
Time check. It's 2 p.m. It's already 2 p.m. Uwian time na. Kapagod dahil umupo. Nakakapagod yung umupo lang. Oh my God. Ilang oras ba ang mission yan? 4? Or 5? Nakakapagod din umupo whole day. Whole day? Parang 5 or 6 hours. Pero at least, hindi masyadong stress o hindi nagamit yung boses natin. Pero umulan siya, day. Naka-motorcycle ako, day. Ang hirap nito.